Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a charming boy named Ali. Ali's favorite thing to do was to observe the animals in nature. One day, while strolling in the park, he found a fallen matchbox. He picked it up, and inside, he discovered something peculiar, a few colorful stones and a note. The note read, "Dear Ali, with these stones, you can create a bird. However, this bird only listens to hearts filled with love and kindness. Take good care of it, be its friend, and great surprises await you." Excitedly, Ali took the stones and ran home. He sat at his table and crafted a small bird from the matchbox with the colorful stones. The bird, named Kibo, had vibrant feathers and brought a big smile to Ali's face. Ali and Kibo became best friends. Kibo had a special power; it could understand the emotions inside people. Ali approached Kibo with a heart full of love, respect, and kindness. One day, Ali noticed a fellow student, Ice, struggling in school. Her face seemed sad, and Ali knew something was wrong. He immediately called upon Kibo and explained the situation. Kibo overflowed with Ali's helpfulness. Together, Ali and Kibo worked to assist Ice. Ali provided support in math, and Kibo offered encouragement. They discovered the power of working together and aided Ice in succeeding. At the end of the school term, Ice, with a smile, thanked Ali. Kibo flapped its tiny wings and danced with joy. Ali hugged Kibo and said, "True friendship and help reside in everyone's hearts. Thank you, Kibo, for teaching us so much." From that day forward, Ali, Kibo, and Ice had many adventures together. Their hearts filled with love and kindness allowed them to achieve wonderful things together.